Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code val5 in Valorant. So for this I will show you a couple of solutions. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and you need to go to status.riotgames.com and then select the Valorant here. Select your region here and make sure that your server do not have any as you can see here problems running. So if you see some messages, read it out and look if your server is alright. And another thing that it may cause the error code val5 is your bad internet connection. So you can go to speed test and test if you have a good internet connection, and if you don't, then maybe limit some devices or maybe restart your router. And if the problem persists, what you can do here next is to open your Riot Games client, and then on this login window on the top right corner you should see a little profile icon. So you need to press on that. You need to go to settings and then select Valorant and press repair. So if your game may have some corrupted files, so with that you will verify the files and corrupted files will be replaced with the good ones, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can update your Windows. So press on check for updates, just write and search, and then here press check for updates and download and install the latest updates on your operating system. And if this method do not work, then the last thing that you can do here, you can go on services, just on search Riot services, and then tap on one of the tasks and then just write V. And VGC should be the first option here, and then right click on it and go to properties, and here make sure that startup type is on automatic and also service status is running, and if it's not running just press start and then press OK. And the last thing, basically val5 is related with the lost internet connection or very poor internet connection. So if the problem persists, I highly advise you to go to task manager and look maybe some of the apps or games that you do not play maybe requires a lot of your memory and internet connection. So if you have some tasks here that you don't use currently by playing Valorant, and you know that ending these tasks do not crash your computer, you can always end them. Like just select the app and then press end task, right? And if all the solutions that I provide you here do not work, I highly suggest you to basically reinstall Valorant maybe to another drive if there is an option, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.